cake for breakfast.
Yeah, I'm scared. This is like literally why I can't cook.
Do you like cake? Do you also like oats? Do you like protein? Do you like TikTok? Then you're gonna love this meal. Back that glass up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's basically our channel at this point.
I was about to correct you.
As you can see, Greg is starring in a lot of my videos lately. I see your guys' feedback and you love having Greg here and having our chemistry as a part of the video. And that means a lot because I prefer to do everything with Greg anyway.
Mari texted me at the office and said, Greg, come home early. We need to do a video. I said, what's the video? She said, TikTok. Mari texted me at the office. She said TikTok. I said, I actually have meetings till the end of the day. I'm so sorry I can't do anything with TikTok. Then she said, nah, it's recipes. I said, be there 5 minutes ago.
Greg is like a caveman and he thinks that TikTok is just dancing and it is so much more than that. Comment below if you are on TikTok. I can go on a deep dive on TikTok. I mean, I've learned a lot and I've ordered a lot of things from TikTok. Like I've learned spray tan hacks, food hacks, everything. So we are back with another food video today. You guys seem to really enjoy the food videos and that makes us happy because we love food. I went ahead and went on a very, very deep TikTok dive and found some very fun, healthy hack recipes. We have some fun quick lunches, some healthy alternative desserts, some meal prep dinners, some coffees. We have a lot coming, guys. We're trying, I think, 7 recipes today for you, all in one go. So I hope you're ready. Let's grab the food and let's get into it. Woo! Okay guys, we are headed into our first recipe. It is an avocado pesto turkey fold. They have a tortilla and it folds into different quadrants.
Guys, make sure you fold it into quadrants. I know this was math class.
Just to warn you, I'm gonna be having Greg film some close-ups so you guys can see what's going on the cutting board because otherwise it's just gonna be all me and no food. Okay, let's do it. I have my tortilla. We need to cut a line from the center to the bottom of the tortilla. Yes, queen! We have our quadrants.
This is a lot of cooking for you.
You know what? There were a few recipes that you guys requested, such as the crispy tuna rice, and I said, that's too much for you, girl. All these recipes are really simple, so if you're anything like me and you need it to be quick and easy, this is for you. We have that done.
We got some deli turkey. You know how it is. Threw a slice of cheese on this in the microwave for 10 seconds.
Amazing.
I may have hit an extra 0 and it was 1 minute, but it's okay.
We're gonna add some spinach. I would personally not want this bit, but we gotta do it for some health, right?
In the name of health.
Now I am getting my guac on here.
Ooh.
That looks good.
Yeah, don't skimp on that guac.
And now, fun fact, actually really sad fact, you'll get that joke if you watch TikTok.
I'm glad you find it funny, I know what you're gonna say.
A fun fact, actually really sad fact, Greg hates, sorry, I just cursed. Greg hates pesto, which is just unacceptable.
I'm fairly sure I have an intolerance to basil.
Which is also unacceptable.
You know what's funny is that, pesto has cheese in it, right?
And
I'm lactose intolerant, so I've probably just like mixed that up.
I knew it!
It's really just the Parm. Well, no, you always want pesto.
You're a fake pesto hater. I feel pressured.
A lot of cameras on you.
I have to do it right. It's like origami.
Turkey, over spinach, over guac.
Yes.
Over pesto.
Yeah. Okay.
She came through with that drip.
All right, now we're gonna throw it in the pan and toast it up a little. So let's head over to the pan. Wait, oil it. 1 sec, guys.
A good one, a good one. We're out of spray.
Okay, toast it. Oh, it's not sticking together.
I mean, yeah, it kind of is.
Here.
You hold that for a
What,
second?
you won't lick the pesto off your thumb because you're allergic?
All right, so we're just gonna let this go on high for a minute, then we'll flip it.
Oh, it's sizzling. Oh my God, you're ruining it.
No, we're good. There's no such thing as ruining this.
Obviously, it's our first time making it, but I'd say this is a really good, quick lunch.
$1.50.
Yeah, budget friendly.
Looking like a Crunchwrap Supreme over here, but health.
Yeah, here's how she looks.
Dude, that was fire.
That looks good.
This Crunchwrap situation.
We're gonna let it cool down and then we're gonna try it and we're gonna give it a rating out of 10 on the yumminess scale and the easiness scale.
Deal.
Okay, time to taste test the fold.
I'm very stoked about this.
Oh, that was a big bite. Oh wow, you can give us a very accurate rating.
That's like right up my alley.
Really?
Yeah, I like this kind of stuff.
Wow.
That's good.
It tastes like a crepe.
Yeah.
a crepe.
Tastes like a savory crepe. Ooh, you like that?
Shoot, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. It's like a quesadilla. We gotta give them our rating. Okay.
Man,
wow.
Might start spending some time on TikTok.
Give us your yumminess rating and then the easiness rating.
I mean, this is like an 8.5 yummy. That's really good.
For me, I would give a 9 yummy.
You need a lot of ingredients in the fridge, which intimidates me, but a lot of the ingredients aren't perishable, like they'll last a while.
But also you could probably switch it up and use any ingredients you wanted.
Facts.
For easiness, I would give it a 7.
Yeah, 7.5. But at the end of the day, like under 5-minute recipe, like you can't complain.
Why is it so good? Okay. Wait, where are you going? Okay guys, this has been like a viral thing on TikTok and I'm very excited about it. We are putting our own spin on it. We're doing a protein version because honestly, dessert without protein doesn't make sense for us. So here we go.
Life without protein doesn't make sense.
Life without protein doesn't make sense. So half a cup of old-fashioned oats I'm using.
Nice.
Then she said 1 banana. Oh, I think we need an egg. Actually, that's some protein, but we need more.
Oh, you guys thought I needed both hands for this? Nah. You know that song? It's like, oh,
yeah.
Do that. I want that song to play when the syrup pours.
1 tablespoon maple syrup. So I guess she's eating this as a breakfast. I thought it was more of a dessert because it comes out like cake, but I guess it's oats and banana and egg. So that's kind of breakfasty. We're getting a little disgusting over here. Oh. I didn't know maple syrup was that liquidy. I thought it was like runny.
Definitely got a low viscosity.
Didn't know that. And then she said half a teaspoon of baking powder. Boop. And then the one edit we're making is we're throwing in a scoop of our company's banana cream protein. I think that'll be really yummy and really bring out the banana flavor.
And add some protein. I would do full scoop. Let's do a full scoop.
Full send. Now we gotta blend it up. Okay, we have our mixture and now we're gonna spray this little baking thing. Oh.
She's thick.
Oh, she's really thick.
We didn't expect this.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this thickness was unexpected. I wish you could have seen what just happened. This is amazing. And if you have our banana cream protein, throw it in here. That's insane. How cute. Babe, I'm scared.
Cake for breakfast, high protein baked oats, 350, 20 minutes.
See you guys soon. We're getting our oat cake out.
Dang, she's a beaut. Dang.
Wow, you guys. This is the cutest little oat cake.
We crushed it. We should like make these for people.
Yeah.
Like in like a, like you could, I don't know.
Slices of banana.
Oh, ideal.
Do you want to get some spoons? Oh my god, I just peeled 3 bananas out.
This is why we can't have nice things.
This is like literally why I can't cook. Check out this oat cake, guys.
Do you like cake? Do you also like oats? Do you like protein? Do you like TikTok? Then you're gonna love this meal.
Sorry, it takes me 10 hours to get into Greg's phone because he has about 1 billion passcodes.
She knows them. Don't think it's like that.
It's not like that.
It's not like that.
It's not like that.
It's not like it's our phone that has 1 million passwords.
Ladies, listen and learn, okay?
You getting that view?
Yeah, get that view.
I want them to really see.
What if it looks like trash? It doesn't.
Ooh, she's steaming.
It looks healthy, I'll say that.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, this is a healthy recipe video.
Wow, that is a piece of cake.
That is an actual piece
We have birthed a piece of cake.
Our first child.
No, it's not too hot.
I need a glass of milk.
You see, this is what happens. You give her a piece of cake and she wants more.
Wow.
Is it good?
Oh my god, our protein made it so much better.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's very banana-y. That's amazing.
I don't know what I'm doing with this midden on. It's making it very difficult to eat.
We were just too desperate to eat it to let it cool down. That's where we're at in our lives. This is just oats, protein, banana, an egg, a teaspoon of maple syrup. That's crazy.
That's fine.
Okay, so let's give it our rating. Wait, come on more in frame.
So I'm
This is my one pet peeve with Greg filming with him. He's always here. He's like, yeah, my opinion about this cake is like, frick. Get in the middle.
I'm rating this as a breakfast food.
Really?
So, that's what it is.
Okay, but that's irrelevant. What's your tastiness rating?
7.5.
For me, it's a 9. I love anything banana, and this is giving me such banana bread vibes. I would have this with a coffee and just like be feeling myself.
It's
Tea
nice.
time. It's the flavor for me. Where are you going? Like, we're filming a video. He will just like leave when we're talking. It's crazy. You guys see the good parts. In between each frame, he's like running around. It has really good consistency on the top. I'm just gonna keep commenting and tasting it because it makes it seem like I need to eat more of it. I'm very full right now. I can't believe how healthy this is and how good.
Next!
Okay.
Made a whole bunch of hot things. It's time for something cold.
And this is more of like a healthy treat, sweet snack.
Yeah.
It's called a yogurt bark. Say that in an American accent. I think I sound weird.
Yogurt bark.
Yogurt bark. We are using Faye Greek yogurt.
Big fan of Greek yogurt around here.
This one's our favorite. It has high protein, low sugar, all the amazing things. So we're gonna spread that out in a circle on some aluminum foil. Wow, that's a lot, babe.
Too much?
Yeah.
Whatever, we got a big freezer.
This is not how I made mine. Okay, so now we're gonna zest a lemon on top. She said this makes it kind of taste like a lemon sorbet. So I picked this lemon from our garden. And as you can see, I already zested a bit of it because I already made one of these and it's in the freezer, but we're gonna make it anyway. I'm just going to zest some lemon all over this. Low key, these handheld graters really scare me.
I know, right?
You can like get your finger.
I know, like that would be so awful.
So pretty, right?
Yeah, shout out to our garden.
Yeah, I think that's good, right?
Yeah, call her quits.
And now you can just add any toppings that you like. So on the one that I made already, I did strawberries, but on this one I thought we could do blueberries.
Let it rip.
Throw some blueberries on here, make sure they're nice and in. Then you're gonna put this in the freezer overnight or for a significant amount of time, and it's gonna become a nice yogurt bark that you can snack on. It's a pretty like fun way of switching up like your yogurt if that's a good snack for you. I eat yogurt quite a lot, and this makes it fun. Here is our yogurt bark. This looks amazing. So we're gonna pop this in the freezer, and then we're gonna take out our done bark. You wanna show?
You made it, you show them.
Okay. Why are we nervous?
I'm proud of you.
This is the bark I made. It has strawberries on it and a bunch of lemon zest.
So like, if you took a piece off, does it like crack off?
That's what I'm curious about.
Right.
Let's see how it cracks.
Testing.
No way. It's a proper bark. So the bark came clean off the aluminum foil, or as we'd say in the UK, aluminium foil. And let's give it a go.
All right, give her a crack.
Oh!
It looks like white chocolate.
It's not gonna taste like that though. How did you even bite it? Okay.
It needs like honey, or if you added protein, it would be really good, like some of our protein powder. It just needs like some flavor.
So what's your rating?
All right, I'm a huge fan of foods that took me a long time to eat. This would take me a long time to eat.
Yeah, but what's the tastiness rating?
On a scale of 0 to yummy, I'm sorry, a 5.
It's a 4 for me.
Yeah.
And then on easiness rating?
Very easy.
Yeah.
8.5.
It's nice when you hit the fruit.
I think I'm gonna make some more later and add protein.
Oh! I almost broke my veneers on here. It's like a super easy dinner and also a great meal prep that you can do in bulk. If you have a family, I think this is great. It's also low carb, which is great for me. She had a much bigger dish than this, but we're just doing a little one because it's just for me.
All right, so I'm a weirdo. I keep just like shredded chicken in the freezer. We just defrosted this, but if you wanna make shredded chicken, you could boil it or put it in your crock pot and then you just shred it up. Literally no salt, no pepper, no nothing. It's pure protein. It's fun. You can make like dip out of it. You can make sandwiches with it. You can make like almost like a sloppy joe or like a pulled pork, but it's chicken, so it's lean.
So Greg's just covering the chicken with tomato sauce.
Nice even layer of tomato sauce. Then Avi, your 2 cheeses that you use for a chicken parm, some mozzarella, and some parmesan. Ooh.
Smells like pizza.
All right, some parm, mix in there, and then finish it off with some mutts.
Nice.
That is nice, dude.
And then she makes a big deal about the seasoning.
She had like a secret seasoning she uses. It's Italian seasoning.
Wait, don't use too much.
Oh, we're good, dude.
And
All right.
salt.
This is an Italian blend. Salt and pepper. Bang, bang. You can throw some olives on this. If you do, use some Kalamata olives, pitted. We don't want any broken canines over here.
She said to put it in the oven at 375 for like 25 minutes. We're gonna put it in at 350 for 30 minutes just because we have a smaller Tupperware, and then we'll check on it in a little bit. Excited to see if that's a good dinner.
Just for the record, I'm kind of known for my chicken parm, all right? Sorry. I'm kind of known for my chicken parm. I gotta whisper, because the neighbors will start knocking on the door if they think I'm cooking it. They'll start running if they hear low carb.
This one's just for me. Our low carb chicken parm has cooled down enough, I think, to give it a go. I'm just gonna have a little bit right now because I think I'm gonna eat it for dinner and maybe lunch.
We're just doing the taste test. It's a high protein bite. You cheated, you got mad cheese.
It's hot.
Yeah, this is, I can't even really hold it anymore.
You can put it down. I like it. I think we should have done more cheese.
It's pretty good though.
I like it.
All right, so this version of the recipe, I would unfortunately give like a 6.
Oh, really?
But if I made it a casserole, it would be an 8.
By casserole, you mean mix it up?
Yeah, that's it.
Instead of layer?
Yeah, because there's just a layer of like dry chicken on the bottom, kind of.
I would give it a 7 taste. Easiness, probably like a 9. It was so easy considering it's a dinner and you can eat it like all week.
I like easy dishes that who you're serving to doesn't know it's easy. It doesn't look easy. It
Facts.
looks like you have chicken parm on the table.
It looks quite fancy,
Yeah.
I will say that.
A little bouge.
I think I'll still eat it for dinner, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's good for dinner.
With a salad. Okay, we are going to make a protein coffee.
Little midday pick-me-up.
A little midday pick-me-up. So we
Check it
have selected, what?
What? I was gonna pick you up, it's fine.
Please don't.
I can.
I really don't like being picked up.
But I can.
Or touched. So I have my protein of choice, which is Bloom Nutrition. Ever heard of it? The best protein on the planet. Vanilla, whey isolate. By the way, whey isolate is different to whey concentrate. Check your protein labels. If it's whey concentrate, that is the least high quality protein that you can get. Whey isolate is the highest quality whey you can find, and you can literally tell in the texture. It's fine. It dissolves really well into beverages, and you're not gonna have any graininess.
And digests really well.
And it digests really well. It promotes lean muscle mass, and it helps you recover after a workout. So let's do that while drinking a coffee.
I'll take 2.
I'll take that and an oat cake.
What's that?
An oat cake, we just had it.
Oh.
We have our coffee in here. Now we just need Greg to add some ice cubes. And in this cup, we're gonna make our milk separately. So I've got this unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is low-key delish.
Do you need a frother?
I do need a frother.
Where's the frother at?
I'm gonna add a whole scoop of vanilla protein in here.
Ooh.
Greg, will you froth that up for me? This frother is low-key the freaking best.
Yo, 2 years ago, we went to like 6 different manufacturers, tried their frothers, and we ended up going with this one just because it's so powerful. You can borderline blend with this thing.
I use it for my greens, my coffees, everything. Oh, is that mascara on my face? Guys, I
watch out,
never...
lady.
Oh.
I'm gonna froth your ass.
I never wear mascara, guys, and I tried it for today's video just for you, and I hope you like it because I don't like it.
Same. I also put on mascara today.
You're saying it in my accent. You would say mascara. Okay, so we've got our protein milk. Now we are going to just... Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Back that glass up.
Here's our protein coffee. Did anyone watch the Meghan Markle interview? Because I watched it last night and I have not stopped thinking about it. I'm in shock. Anyway, pinky's up. Did you see that? I had blue foam. Oh wow.
Are we baristas now?
Bloristas. Bloomeristas.
Wait, what?
It's really good.
I don't get how people make these and not end up having like 8 cups of coffee by mistake.
I know. The protein adds a really good like vanilla sweetness.
Let's remind everybody, this is 0 carbs. This is 0 sugar.
Yes, our protein has the best macros in the game.
This is 0 carbs.
0 fat, 0 carbs, 22 grams of protein in 1 coffee.
So this is really just like a splash of almond milk when it comes to calories. This is a 9.5 yum.
I gave it a 10.
You know what will make it a 10? A little dash of cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Easiness, a 6. What I would say is with lockdown, quarantine, everyone has a... No, you use your fingers for that. That was a horrible idea. Everyone has a bit more time for their morning routine, and I feel like it's a really good, healthy self-care thing to do, to really take your time in the morning. Make yourself a delicious breakfast, make yourself a delicious coffee, just really enhance your day and do something for you. You know what I'm saying? So it may not be the easiest thing in terms of a coffee, but like it's worth it.
We made this out of an espresso, which is
Yeah.
like the best $100 you'll ever spend. Yum. 5 recipes under 5 minutes that are all 5-star ratings. Hope you enjoyed them.
I mean, they weren't all 5-star ratings.
According to Yelp, they were.
Okay, but we did 5 healthy recipes from TikTok, and I would say a majority of them we'll do again. The oat cake I would do again.
Coffee, definitely.
Coffee, the flat, the tortilla.
Yeah.
What was your favorite recipe of the whole thing?
The coffee drink, just because it tasted too good for how many calories it was.
Mine was the turkey flat tortilla.
But everything,
so good.
Everything was under 5 minutes, which is really nice.
Yeah. So I really hope you guys try some of these. You really should, especially if you're busy, you're at home, you need something quick, or even bring to work. Highly recommend any of these, honestly.
I would say all those fall into the realistically healthy category too.
Yes,
nice.
and I would definitely eat these again. If you guys try out any of these recipes, make sure you tag us both on Instagram.
You better.
At Mari Llewellyn, at Greg Labs Life. We're so excited that we got to film this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Let us know if you have any ideas.
Thanks for having me.